Number 1. Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000. Looking for the ultimate grooming tool? The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 has got you covered. With 19 tools and accessories, this trimmer is a cut above the rest for all your beard, hair, and body grooming needs. Say goodbye to guesswork with the Precision Trimming Guard. You can now select the exact length you want with 0.2 mm precision steps from 1 to 3 mm. The adjustable comb takes it up a notch with 3 to 7 mm settings for a more tailored look. The Smart Beard Sense technology detects beard density and adjusts power accordingly for a seamless trim. Plus, the self-sharpening stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting performance without the hassle of oiling. Body combs for intimate grooming add extra versatility to this grooming powerhouse. And with a 5-hour runtime on a lithium-ion battery, you can tackle even the most unruly hair with ease. What sets the Multigroom 7000 apart is its superior control. The steel frame and rubber grips make handling a breeze, giving you precision and comfort in one sleek package. While the Multigroom 7000 is a top-notch trimmer, the only downside is that it doesn't come with a travel case. But with its exceptional performance, that's a minor inconvenience you can easily overlook. In conclusion, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 7000 is the best overall grooming tool on the market. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference firsthand.